Hey guys, it's DayViv Marah, the Coils Coach, and I am back with my review of my Avocado Hair Mask. Now, I said I was going to come back in about 7-8 days, but actually it's been 14 days. It's been 2 weeks since I applied my hair mask, and I'm not going to lie. At first, I thought I messed my hair up. But it wasn't the mask. It was actually, I missed a step in my twist out and I didn't add the oil. So I went back, fixed it, added the oil, and I'm like, okay, it wasn't the mask, it was me. But I'm here to share some great results. I decided to do 14 days just to see if any properties in my hair would change for the better or the worse, so I can give you all an honest review. Now, in my hair mask, I had avocado, fresh cut avocado, olive oil, and a little bit of argan oil. Of course, I had banana, but I told you I didn't really like the banana, so you can just ditch it. Now, this hair mask, it shocked me a bit. It really did shock me. My strands are well nourished. You know how you would put a product on, whether it's a leave-in conditioner or a moisturizing lotion, and your strands will feel nourished because you use that product? For me, it was the opposite. Before I used those products, my strands felt nourished. They felt strong. They felt like they weren't going to break off and be flimsy and stuff like that. So that was a really good sign that the mask really helped my hair. Also, the water, because before I put a daily moisturizer on my hair, like if I'm doing a twist out or whatever, I spray it with water, and it was, at first it was kind of weird because the water just sat on the strand. I was like, all right, my hair has never did this before. What's going on? But really, as it was sitting on the strand, it was infusing to keep each strand hydrated. I was like, word? Had I known this, I would have did this mask a long time ago. I was really intrigued at how the water, just water, responded to my hair. I was like, whoa, this is interesting. And I didn't even use any products. I was like, whoa. And my hair, I know me, my hair is quite difficult. It needs a lot of love. It needs a lot of TLC. Speaking of TLC, let me compare something real quick. You know how all these people talk about NutriBurst, take a little shot of that NutriBurst and you just feel like, you got so much energy to do whatever you need to do? Yes. This hair mask is equivalent to NutriBurst for the hair. I mean, I've never tasted NutriBurst. I only know about the testimonials. But think about it like that. It just gives your hair a burst of nutrients with those simple ingredients, and I am very pleased that I did this. Also, my hair is nourished, strong. I have this weird obsession with like doing this to my hair, like just playing around and pulling and being all frivolous with my hair. And before, my hair would break off. I mean, like what? Yeah, I would pull and play and be like boop, boop, boop. Hair will be popping off because my hair is very fragile. It looks thick, but it's really thin. It gives off this illusion. I'm grateful for it. But yes, it wasn't popping off. And I love to go like this and go like that. And the strands, they're really strong and they bounce back. So I love those properties about this hair mask. Also, before I put anything in my hair, whether it's natural made products, like meaning fresh grape or fresh apple or fresh avocado, mix it with the oil, stuff like that, I do my research. Alright, I do my research. It is very important that we do research before we put these products in our hair, in our skin. Yes, I say in your skin, because whatever you put on your skin goes to your bloodstream. And we are in this phase and we got a lot of time. We want to DIY stuff. Please, 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 please do the research before you try these things that you've never tried before. I did my research because I want to make sure the information that I'm putting out is factual. That's why on my last video, you kind of saw my IT in the title in this way, because I was reading out facts about the products and what the products will do to your hair, good and bad. Okay. So yeah, man, do your research about different things that you apply to your hair and also to your skin, because it's a lot of people, sell homemade products. The products can be good, but you just never know how it's going to respond to your body and to your hair. This is why I'm doing these DIY hair masks and hair serums, because it has to be, because certain products aren't performing the way I need them to perform for my hair. So I see that I have to take matters in my own hands and do, little science projects for my hair to see what's going to work. And I have nothing but time. Nothing but time, honey. It is April 26th. Nothing but time. But yeah, I just want to let y'all know, I'm not just out here mixing stuff, throwing it on my hair and calling it a day. I actually do the research. Also, I will not apply this mask. I wash my hair every 2 or 4 weeks. I will not apply this mask every time I wash my hair. I would think of this mask as a dessert wine, only for special occasions, only for total rejuvenation. 4 times a year is good. Like the next time I would do this particular hydration hair mask with the avocado will probably be the ending of summer. I would say, July, maybe August, and then I would do it again at the end of fall, at the end of winter, before spring, because I literally did it in the middle of spring. So I just want to give my hair a breather, just to make sure I'm not like overpowering with the vitamins. I mean, you can never have enough vitamins, but sometimes you don't want to risk it, especially with your hair. Just give it some time. So I would definitely do it quarterly. Hey, this is just my suggestion, but if you want to do it, be my guest. But that's all. I am quite pleased. I am very, very, very pleased with the hair treatment, how my hair performed. I can even take you all in. My hair is still shiny after 2 weeks, still bouncy, filled with life. I literally walk around with a bonnet on all day, all night, due to our current situation. But yes, I hope you all enjoyed my video, enjoyed my review of my avocado mask. I will be doing more DIY projects when it comes to hair and stuff like that, because I'm just willing to try new things and to just bring truthful content to you all. What works, what did not work, and yeah, just make it. Let's mix it up and just make it. Hey, but yes, I love you all oh so much. Thank you guys for subscribing to my YouTube channel. Do not forget to like, comment, and hit that little alert bell so you will know when another video is up. And that's it. Short, sweet, to the point.